Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. To change the watch face on this device, we need to use the FITBIT app on our phone. So let's open it. In the app, we need to tap on the profile icon right here in the top left corner. Here select the Charge 3 from the list of devices. And now we can tap on clock faces. Here tap on all clocks. And right here we have a list of watch faces we can apply on our device. Find the one you like, for example this one, and tap on it. Here you have some information about the watch face, and then tap select to apply it on your device. As you can see, the watch face was applied, and here you can see that the selected was grayed out. That means that this watch face is applied currently on your watch, and you can select any watch face right here on this list, tap on select to apply it. No, for some reason this one failed. I don't know why. Let's try it again. Oh, I think it's retrying automatically. And this time it worked. Okay. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.